Hanjang lang sohor kera puru along kanghu kilun. Kartun farukre phoso se ahor kanghu. Duar baguri KSA Junel Amai Pen. Inko ratrok Junel Karbi Youth Festival aphan kachisik. KSA Delay Brands along ta KSA Kiseng Arni Katalon. Kardom ada berta long beneli berta than bang thare harmony be non bertang ton pen arjuik tha. Bukojan subdivision ke parlo hanjang lang so along ke do horker apuru along paipa inko ranar cap arni kang hulut chok pasi. Bukojan pen kadnu sa pherang ke phan berta pachini. Hanjang lang so industries asai hem along Arunachal Pradesh ahor care ki biadim mate apuru ahem along kanghu luchok amat hor care carton farukre phosose ihu pondet pusi access asai campaign pachini hor care kanghu alampet bangthok apan nepsi bokajan thana karju hor padobomlu puta nilituma phrang kepen bilta long thu Inko ratrok angdeng Junel Karbi Youth Festival surini la krenar kep aphan duar baguri KSS Junel amai penta tirikam amai sengsi chisik chedang pon tanglo Inko ratrok angdeng Junel Karbi Youth Festival surihini la krenar kep anikan aparwan paipa inko ranar kep arni tirikam amai sengsi duar baguri KSS Junel amai tumpen priya chiklo aphan chisik chedang pon tirikam amai keseng along KSS tirikam amai dunmai phumati barim homsing pe Karbi Student Union atum chetongtun Junel Karbi risonimso arongaje katalon mesen pen kepachun jiaphan bangphu angbong arpu chepek KSA Delay Brands along ta paipa inko ranar cap arni KSA keseng arni talondun pusi car news along biltarang pale Karbi Anglo Autonomous Council Chairman Longki Timung KSA keseng arni katalon amay along chitongdun alangli alu sarpo alamjir along KSA ke khemo arbumpu pajir midam si KSA abang putin aphan methang arpu ka cheklem pamesenji aphan chunuri labang so apran adap ajai mek ateng brands amay pusi lama ingthur KSA tiri amay pen mirjeng kro lapen ari sanghotum katalon along chitongdun
lang nilai aklam long ni tum nilai kias head branch mare Karbi lo char dia som nilai rupi amang ithai gar ni kasalom pon lagi pinian ingdeng thong kep aner kep ki chok lang so budang ni tum talon pon nang kok la bang so ba mo ni ma awe tum stame la bang so kias
birth anniversary nilai KSA head branch my charity pon my pu aki hai rongpio sango taben ilito
nun malom support hal bertamo don pon iksina
Claret Beauty Parlor Folong kechengsi sopin so la pen swar lo phan ki pamara dim Probjin pen ingpu ponpu kangpu ponji lake pai pai chikluni phai ingora ner cap arni Ladak nang litum long ikji lake facial hair spa hair straightening hair cutting shaving hair curly tattoo body spa pedicure lapet medicare hayu henlo Claret Beauty Parlor Difu Main Market Road Bharati Lodge near Iron Bridge Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk Thelua Kreng Chitronola Upthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Hanjang long so pathua klama long ke pathu bom so arlo football kachpate pai kora narkep arni pen pangcheng pontanglo kicheng si kachpate tumpreng lapan dong mukak lapan adun thu langhin lapan Greater Difu Sports Association angbong si pathu Hanjang long so pathua klama long ke pathu bom so arlo football kachpate pai kora narkep arni pen pangcheng pontanglo kicheng si kachpate tumpreng lapan dong mukak lapan adun thu langhin lapan Greater Difu Sports Association angbong si pathu tumpreng dong mukak aphan ball thap si parem langhin atum Greater Difu aphan ball pum throk PC paprang dun ada berita bang lapan singkang ton paniglo tu mithak me kurang tu